So, in front of me I've got Sony headphones. In this video I'll show you how to manage noise cancelling via app. In the beginning, let's go to Sony Headphones app. Go to Adaptive Sound Control. Next, close, and now switch this button to enable it. Now you can enable optimized switching for you, but for this function you have to log into your account. Then you can manage ambient sound control based on actions. For example, you can enable noise cancelling, ambient sound that you can also adjust or disable this function. And next you can change your status. For example, sitting, walking, running, or in the communication. In the end, you can enable or disable voice pass-through. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.